Hello everyone, how to fix Clipchamp buffering issue. So let's start. You go to the left hand side bottom, click on the search icon and search your settings. And here the setting is search, click on it. And here Windows setting is open. Then click on the system option. And in system, the left hand side, click on the storage. And here see all app storage. Just click on the apps and features. And here in sort by, just click on this drop down arrow and click on the size. Now here you can see the highest size of Microsoft Clipchamp. Okay, therefore it's buffering. So I just open my Clipchamp. So I just click on the search icon and type here Clipchamp and click on open and wait for the few seconds. After that, go to the right hand side and click on the gear icon settings option and click on the settings. And here the settings dialog box is open. Then click on the local storage second option. And here you can see the 4.29 GB is used. Scroll down and here delete all local media. Okay. So Clipchamp keeps all locus copy of your media files for editing. To free up the disk space, you can delete them. So I just click on the delete all and click on the yes, delete all the local media, and that's it. You can see the zero used now showing. I just close this Clipchamp. Now I just go back and again click on the apps and future. And here in name, I click on the size. Now you can see the Clipchamp is 913 MB. Okay. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.